Hey everyone. So you might think that what are we doing with this very large box here at Windstream Fanatics? You know, the thing is that we don't discriminate. We just love all types of transportation. So this thing right here, we got as a surprise for our daughter Mac.
Yeah, Mackenzie's going to be really excited to open this up. I don't want to spoil the surprise, but it is a little bit dealing with transportation, but of a special asset, if you know what I mean.
And when did we order this?
Back in March of 2021.
And we just got it today. It's not like we've had it for the last 18 months and just decided now to open it up. We just received it today, and it's very rare. Stay tuned.
Cue dramatic box opening.
Here we go.
Lift carefully.
Mac it on this side. Help lift.
Mackenzie?
What? That's hair? And then the squid!
Holy moly.
There's a squid.
Easy.
Wait,
Easy.
There's a squid in there.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the size of this thing.
And
got
it
the
has hair
pram.
on it.
Oh my gosh.
It has hair on it.
Now it's got this here.
But the stand is there.
But can I play?
The stand is in
Is
here.
Is
Okay.
it animatronic?
I think it is.
Yep.
It's a limited edition.
I didn't know that had a squid.
It's a collectible, I know. So how do we...
You can get underneath the edge.
Ooh.
The pram in all of its glory. And then we have the stand. The base is underneath.
But this part.
So
There's the base.
Put,
And it's a clear base. And then on the side here is a clear cylinder.
so Star Wars, yeah?
This way it will hold up.
There's a tube.
We do a great job packing it.
And this.
We've been waiting a very long time for this.
What is this do? Is this like
That's
ooh.
probably going to connect to the bottom of the
That-
pram so
it's
that
like
it
a
looks
cup.
like it's floating, like it's levitating.
So there's connections here.
Yeah, depending on how high, how tall you want it.
Now there's an extra piece there. But I'm wondering if this can go on.
It's going to have, it has all the cellophane, that's probably
The
there.
cellophane there, yes.
and then you can add the
there's
other one.
probably a bottom part if we lift up.
Yeah, it does.
Yep.
It does.
So
Yep.
it would where it would.
So if that slid on there, then what I would do is I would screw that piece, screw this piece.
I didn't take the cellophane. I just wanted to see
No.
if it worked. I'm not sure.
Like how the base is set up. So, does anyone
So here,
see
you
the
screw
base?
that to the bottom
Of
of that, the pram,
okay. You see, it says Star Wars.
Star
Yeah.
Wars.
Star Wars that has the like droid details.
Oh, it does
on
have
it.
droid details on it.
Like R2D2 things. Hey, don't
Also-
squish my front row seat.
Sorry. Well, why don't we pause that? I'm going to ask for data assistance here.
Yeah, wait, I can not
Data assistance or dad
Data
assistance?
assistance.
Okay.
a data assistance.
Ha ha ha.
Wait.
Hey Mac, why don't you
Undo that.
undo that? Start taking the cellophane off of that.
Yeah, I need a video.
I am. You gotta keep taking off of that. And we're gonna screw that little piece on the bottom of the pram.
I like untucking.
We'll be right back.
Hey guys, ta-da! Du-du-du-du,
Pretty neat.
So this is, right, so this came with two options, two height options. We have the shorter one on now, but then they have a longer one there, which is approximately 2.5. It's about 2.5, 3 feet high. So you can give it that extra height. But right now, we're liking this. It's the same height as the couch. When we sit, it'll be just a little bit lower than us.
I don't know what this is.
So we have the option. We definitely need to read.
Yeah.
Okay?
Do we have the directions?
We do have the directions.
Because it's important for us to know how we get, because this should have a door that closes, so we don't want to.
There are the directions.
And it also should come with a certificate of authenticity. So it just says, here we have the Star Wars The Mandalorian Grogu Collector Edition Plush with Hover Pram, an adult collector. Sorry, Mac. So we need to have 6 AA batteries. 6 AA that are not included. So it comes with the 2 levels of height adjustments, our collector plush, the squid,
I love it.
and a little blanket. So inside here, sure, it will show us where we have to place our.
She dropped all this.
See, it's a good thing we left all that plastic on.
See,
Mommy keeps dropping all the stuff on it.
Yeah.
This is probably our certificate. Our certificate.
So when did you order this, Mommy?
Don't even
Guys,
remember.
do you see the picture?
At least 2 years ago.
Over a year.
Do
It
you
was supposed
see-
to come out.
Guys,
in
do you see
April?
this picture right
Ooh.
here?
Yep, don't be
It
bending
says
it.
the Star Wars on it.
Yeah, I think this is
Pretty
a special.
nice.
We have a certificate of authenticity.
Yeah, nice sealed. You are now the owner of a Grogu Collector Edition plush with Hover Pram by Mattel Creations.
Yes.
A lot of boxing.
Yeah, it looks like it's a cargo box, right?
So,
Yes.
yes, it does. So the battery installation, we have to use a Phillips screwdriver. So we're not going to be able to do this right away. We need to get our Phillips screwdriver, and we have to then. Oh, it's in the back. Right here is where we have
Ooh.
the adjustment. So
Okay.
right there is where we're going to have to unscrew, put our batteries in, and then we should be able to have an activated pram.
Well, let's get this baby out of the pram.
Yeah.
So we just took all this out of the packaging,
Yeah.
and I look in there and I read it. Adult collector, do not put the child in the pram. So at the
A
end-
child.
The A child. That's the difference between a child and the child.
See, this is the child,
child.
but a child is me.
Well, you can't fit in it, but can you put the blanket in? Now, this is definitely a higher quality. This is not something that you find in the stores. This is the interior. Feel how soft this is, Mac. Feel this. It's so soft. It's lined.
Oh my God.
Well, get that reaction. Come on down, Nana. Come
Yeah,
see it.
come, Billy, come.
So very important to know the difference between a child and the child. But it comes with this canvas for the child to sit in.
Ooh, soft on
It's
your
got some
body.
nice detail on the inside.
And the squid.
The squid, and the squid actually is not just plastic. It's got texture to it. It feels like
Yeah.
a rubbery squid.
And you see inside the details?
Yeah.
It's like it really is a squid. And
So,
the details inside.
Look at his
is-
legs move. Very detailed. Like
And
nobody had the
it's-
feeties. Got some
Yeah.
feeties. And then look, he's got, even on his collar, it looks that
Ow,
it's...
he
oh,
bit me.
it looks like the collar is all dirtied up because, right, he's been traveling around with Mando. And look at, he's got hair.
No.
That is...
That's real hair.
Now
That
again,
feels
this is not one you could just buy
fluffy.
in the store. This is limited edition. It went up for just a limited time. I believe, I have to double check. It was definitely over a year ago that we put this in place for the order. And then it was delayed. It was supposed to come, I believe, in April. And then they kept, delaying the shipment. There was no updates and people were getting a little bit antsy. We were a little nervous, but we said that we wanted to make sure that this was going to be part of our collection because we are huge. Look, Star Wars fans.
Yeah, and look at the whole room.
I mean, yeah, and that's pretty much Star Wars.
When you guys wore this today, you had no
No
idea this was coming in.
No, this was pretty.
It's not like you was like, oh, we're going to do this unboxing video. Let's go put on. All right.
So if you buy this online, she just said, if you buy it online, like my mom said.
It's if you can find it. You might not even be able to find it. It was so
Yes.
long ago
It's
that
sold
they
out.
had this
no,
on.
there's no more. There will
No
never
more.
be any more produced. So if you did not get a chance to put your order in, Mattel Creations will be producing no more of these. So this pram itself with the collector plush. One, just whatever was ordered, that was all that was produced. So the only way that you can get your hands on this is going to be on the secondary market, and who knows. But this retailed for $400. And again, no one has produced a pram of this size and realistic capabilities here. So hopefully...
And I remember it was only available at a certain time.
Right?
Yeah.
Certain time of day.
It was 1 or 2 days. At first, it was only supposed to be 1 day, but I think they opened it up for 2, and then that was it.
So, ta-da! So, Dad...
There's a button. We just put the batteries in. And in the back, there's a button. I think the on-off button is right in the back.
IR sensor. If the IR sensor is obstructed, the door will not close. That's cool. I
Yep.
can't put my finger there. All right, where's the button?
I think it's underneath the battery where we put the batteries in the back.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
That's to turn it on or off.
Okay.
On or off mode. Wait,
I put it on.
I think you put it off.
Oh, I put it on.
Okay, let's see.
There's a white side.
So, no, that's the sensor.
Someone is at the front door.
Wow.
So that.
Okay. Wow.
That's pretty cool.
That's how you do it. You just touch that button right there, huh?
So right there.
There's no
but
button.
There's no. It's like super sensitive.
So you just put your finger over it.
No, I could touch it, but it doesn't like push in. It's like really.
And he's right there.
Let's
So what's really good is that you can put it into a space and you can keep the dust out because you could just keep it closed.
That's good thinking.
Right?
Daddy.
And then when you want to see it, and then when you have guests come over and they'll be like, what is
hide
that?
the asset.
Yep.
The
Or
asset.
maybe you put like a cover over it, put the movie like.
So if you got little kids that don't know how to keep their hands off things, then we keep it closed and don't tell
Because
them.
again, this is for an adult collector. This isn't to be
But
played with.
I would like
Yes,
to
but you
tap
don't.
it.
And because this is a collector item for adults, we don't recommend that children, play with the special plush that's inside because it has the hair. You don't know how sensitive it is or how easy it can fall out and fragile. The quality that is presented with it, though, is definitely of higher end, but not something that you can buy in the stores. But this is motorized, so again, you don't want to continually open and close it on a regular basis, that it's going to perhaps, ruin the gears and such. So again, pretty sweet. I'm so glad the asset has arrived. And he's just so adorable.
And this is like a cool metallic kind of thing.
Yeah, it's definitely detailed.
And
Now, I guess that's not something that comes with any of the plushes there, right? I would
yeah,
not
there's
recommend
only
putting it into his
frogs
face.
with plushes, but this is pretty cool. So
Like, yeah.
if you buy other Grogu plushes or like animatronic plastic, they only come with like a frog. But if you get this one, well, if you get this one, it'll come with this. It's a little shiny. Is
So
it
his
like
hands
too
look
shiny for you?
Mackenzie,
or-
does his hands look similar?
Yeah.
You should get your other Grogu to compare it.
Do you want to?
Yeah, why don't we go check to see the one that's by Mattel? So here is the plush that
You hold
came.
this one.
Okay,
I have
so we'll
that
make a
here.
switch, handoff. Okay, I'll hold the. Now, I believe that the hands are similar, right? Very, yeah, yeah, they're the same. But let's see, how are their? These feet are.
Or the bendabilities.
They do-
And they're
they-
a little hard.
But they're flat as if that could stand almost.
These look more
The
detailed.
toes are separated. There's more
Separated.
wrinkles.
Yeah. So they're both different.
They can bend.
Yeah, these can bend
Definitely
too.
here. But look at the inside. This is very flimsy.
This is very like thick, and this is very fluffy.
Yes.
So it's like so fluffy. And by the way, these ears move.
And even look backside here.
The hair.
Look at that hair.
See?
Different coloration too, right?
Yeah. And this.
That was the open mouth.
Yeah, and that's the closed. And these, the ears
Bendable
move.
ears, right. I wouldn't bend these.
But, yeah, they look similar. They have similar stuff. But they're
Both by Mattel, yeah. But this,
yeah.
very, very neat.
And this comes with a pram. And this comes with the bag.
Right.
So they both come with different things.
Accessories, right.
Yeah.
You made your own frog accessories, right? You got those frog accessories for yourself.
Yeah.
They didn't come with that.
Yeah, I just got these little froggy squishies.
Very
I got
cute.
these little froggy squishies. I put them in here because Grogu loves little froggies.
So again, we want to make sure that his ears,
And this one, the head on the pram, the one that came with the pram, the head is a little bit bigger.
a little bit larger, but
little bit
you also
larger.
want to make sure that you want to make sure that the ears go inside there because you don't want them have them stick out, right? Look, if this closes up, you'd get caught the ears, and they're they go from end to end in there. Guess what also helps keeping him upright. But definitely well worth the wait. Like I said, limited edition. Only they only produced the amount of orders that came in on those few days. That's a good carrying case. So at least we have a more affordable, appropriate one to play with.
Yeah, and so they're both collectors, but they're both different. So Mattel really made this detailed, and
It's their Mattel Creations.
yeah, and this is for the grown-ups only, but I still little play it because I'm 7. So, but this is my favorite. So every time when I sleep, it's like hanging down on the side because it has this big thing. what is
Headboard.
it?
Right, the headboard.
Right.
And it's like a fancy one, so we can hang stuff on it.
Right.
And I hang
Right,
it
so
up.
that one you can keep
Yeah.
by
Yeah.
your
Travel with
headboard and
us,
play
yeah.
with it and travel. And then this one is more for the adult collector.
Yeah, but I still like it though.
So we're adding
course.
this next to our lightsabers and everything else that we have.
Quite the collectors.
Quite the asset.
All right.
Quite the
The
asset.
asset's protected.
And you will see us in the other videos. Restaurant Fanatics signing off.